Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited to share with you the Chanel holiday gift set that I got this year. You can see these are my two gift sets from last year. I have the contents taken out and they've been used and I've got them, all over the place. But last year, I got two of the same makeup cases. There was this color pattern. It's a tweed and it's got like kind of like white and some black and gold in it. And then there was a red one, but I got two of the same because last year I wanted to make a little bag with one of them, which I did. I got this chain from Dress Up Your Purse, and I got these D-rings, and I did make this little bag. So that's why I got two of the same. This year, the makeup cases it's like a white, like a winter white, and there's navy blue, and I decided just to get one this year. I don't need like 100 makeup cases, and the one that I was most interested in is something that, I just decided that was the only one I was going to get. So anyway, let me show you which one I got. So here I have my outer box here, and I'm just going to take out the inner box. I have not unboxed this. I opened the box, but I have not unboxed the contents because I wanted to do it on camera. And I haven't seen the makeup case in person. I've only seen it, on the Chanel website and the Nordstrom website, and then when influencers unwrap them. So I will be seeing it firsthand for the first time here too. So, okay. So here we go. Okay, so this is the outer box. Very pretty. It's gold. It has these CCs and all these little packages on it. It's very nice. And let me see. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, very, very pretty. Wow, that's very nice. It is it's navy and it has some gold running through it. It is tweed, and it's kind of it's almost like a tweed. I want to say it's like a velvety tweed. It's very nice, and it says Chanel across it. Very, very pretty. So I'm glad I made that choice. And I got the Always Brilliant gift set, which includes the 3 lip glosses. And I will open those in a second. So this was one of, I think there were 6 different ones you could get, and they all have different things in them. Last year I got both that were like hand and nail care, like hand cream and nail polish. This year I decided I'd get the lip glosses. I love Chanel lip gloss. So let me see what we have. And where's my magnifying glass? Because I can't see anything. Okay, so let's see what we have. This one is, let's see, no say moscata. Let's see, what does this say? This is, oh wait, this is melted honey. Let me see if this says in English. No say moscata. And let's see which this one is. Bourgeoisie. Okay, so we've got, the colors are in all different languages. So let's see, we'll open the melted honey first. And, ooh, very pretty. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice. It's kind of a sparkly gold. That's what it looks like in real life. I don't know what it's gonna look like. Let's see. Can you see? It's kind of like a sparkly gold color. And I think maybe it would be nice maybe over another color. So, okay, so there's that one. And then let's see, we have this one, which is the Noce Moscata. Is it Noche Moscata? I don't know though. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, this one is kind of more like a coppery color. And the view screen, it's looking more like a mauve tone, but it's not. It's more of a, like a copper is the only thing I can explain. And let's see. Yeah, do you see? Kind of. It's so hard to see it, you know, just through the camera, but I'm sensing a theme. It's kind of all like metallic-y kind of colors here. And then this one is the Bourgeoisie. Oh, very pretty. You know, this kind of also looks a little coppery, but a little darker. And maybe, do you see? This one kind of has a little bit of like a rosish pink undertone. Okay, very pretty. I think these are all definitely very usable shades, especially with holiday season. I think this one, this was the Bourgeoisie, is probably the one that I would be most likely to wear alone, like without anything over, you know, without being over another lip color. Sometimes I like to put my glosses over another shade, but they're all very pretty. This one is kind of neutral. This is sort of a neutral too. So yeah, I'm glad I got this gift set because I think I'll use this more than some of the others. Whoops. And this was $113. They are all priced differently. I think, if I remember, they sort of run from like the 80 something into like, you know, the low 100, maybe 115, 100 and, you know, 20, something like that. Now I'm going to link the Chanel website and I'm going to link Nordstrom's below. I don't know if these are sold out at the moment. When I first tried to get this, it was sold out. Like everything was sold out on the Nordstrom's website. And so I kept checking every couple of days until finally it was back in stock. So if you do want to get one of these gift sets, the only thing I can suggest is just keep checking, maybe every day. I feel like the morning, like early morning might be a good time to check. And you know, just be ready to pull the trigger if it's in stock because they do sell out and they go quickly. But hopefully you can get your hands on one. The makeup bag again this year is just so nice. The only thing is I wish that they would just put the D-rings on it because then you could just attach a chain without having to like get tools and do it yourself. But I'll also link the video where I talked about making that from last year. I didn't invent this. I was watching, I think it was a Heated Mess, her video, and she showed how to do it. But I'll link my video from last year if you know you want to kind of explore turning it into a little bag. But I just think, yeah, this is just so pretty. It's kind of a fun tradition to do this every year. This is only my second year. I know some people do it every year. It's kind of nice, you know. It's like buying yourself a little pre-Christmas, pre-holiday gift. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.